Here I have LENOVO Vibe P1. Let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by switching off the device, press power key, choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Then you need to wait until your device will be completely switched off, and then let's open the slot. So let's open the protection from the top of the screen right here. And now, as you can see, you've got access to the following slots. You can open the tray right here. This is the tray. You can remove the tray, and here you can insert the Nano SIM card. So let me do it. Let me insert the Nano SIM card. Here I have such a card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position. Of course, you can also insert the second one. Alright, this is the second one, and you can use the following slot, but in my case, let me just insert the one card. Alright. This is the first slot, so let me insert into the first slot. Now let's put the whole thing right here, and here you can also insert the micro SD with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position and press it to the end. Alright. Now let's close this protection. And switch on the device. The Lenovo is turning on. Excellent, now you can unlock the screen. Tap apps icon. Here you need to change language, so let me at first change language. Alright, and then let's here check out if our cards are working properly. Choose here the mobile network. As you can see, the device is using our SIM card, so it's a good sign. Let's go back. You can also here choose storage and USB, and here you should find the information about the SD card. So everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.